Hey, Driven to Compete here. Welcome back to the channel. And I'm going to make a short video here on how to replace the fog light on a 14 and or 15 and newer Subaru, because quite honestly I wasn't going to pay the dealer to do it. So I picked up the bulbs, and I'm going to do both sides, but for this purpose of the video, I'm going to show you how to do one side, and you'll just replicate it on the other. So I've got the car jacked up here, and I've got the trusty jack stand for safety underneath, and I popped the hood to help some of the light come in, and I'm going to try to show you exactly what's going on. Let me just try to have a little handle on the camera here. Pop that off. Nice little handy piece. I'm going to sit that there. Okay, so you're going to need, for tools, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Ooh, that's probably hard. And smaller, straight. And I would recommend, in addition to the lights themselves, some type of a clean, oil-free rag. I'm going to use just a simple towel. Okay, so I'm going to lay that up on top here for now to get out of the way. So I'm going to slide under here, and we're going to show you what you have. So you have these tabs that are located here, in here, and here. And let me see if I can get some better light for that area. Okay, and then underneath here you also have a bolt there. So I'm going to remove those. I'm going to come back and start the video up and show you where you go from there. Okay, so what I thought I would do is take a moment to do some filming of the opposite side of the car, because I just was concerned about the quality of the video that I'm giving you. So you're going to want to take this one out, and then there's a screw up in here, which I'm going to see if I can help you to see. So we're going to take that out, and I'll start the video here. I'll show you that lets you pop this piece here out and gain access to the driving light, which is right here. So just to give you an idea, you're right underneath the light. So I'll start the video up here. Okay, so I want to show you how you remove these guys. You just literally, they pop right out. I mean, they're literally that easy. And then, like I said, you have a screw here that you're going to use your screwdriver, Phillips, and you're just going to turn it. So I'll take a moment here, and I'll come back. Okay, so I'm back. I've added a shop light to help you see that right there is your fog light. So all you're going to do is pry this. While you're holding it, you're going to reach up here, and you should be able to remove that. And I have to take a quick peek at how that comes out. Oh, you just turn it the way it looks. Turn it clockwise, and that's your bulb. The biggie. I'm going to go ahead and remove it, and you just push on this right here, and I'll go ahead and remove it, and I'll start the video up again here. Okay, so you want to unplug it, and I don't know if you can see that, but there's a tab right here, my thumb. You just push it in, and you're going to pull it apart. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to go ahead and install the new bulb. I'll give you a second here to take this apart, and then I'll show you. Okay, for comparison's sake, these are what I took out, and this is what I'm putting in. Now, a little bit bigger bulb. Obviously, it's got some tinting to it for color. I laid it against the towel here because I wanted you guys to be able to see, but for the most part, replacement bulb. I want you to be able to see the difference in the diameter. Is a little bit bigger bulb. So that's what we're putting in, and Again, if you would happen to touch this with your finger, you can wipe it off with a clean towel. And the idea is you don't want any oils on the bulb itself because it can blow the bulb out. Okay, we'll move on to the next. Okay, so the light's back in, and you're just going to take the plug, and you're going to hear it click, and you're done there. And we're back to popping parts back together here. So you want to start by pushing this up, push that tab in, that way it holds it in place, and then you want to grab, and you're going to fold that in, and then like I said, you're going to pull that tab out. So when you're done, you should have something that looks like this, 2 tabs that's tucked up inside. And we're going to go around and I'll show you how to reinstall everything here in just a sec. So these guys are like a push in, and you push the cap in. So I'm going to shoot this from another direction because I want you to be able to see what's going on. And okay, so here we are. Give you some better light. There we are. We're going to take one of these guys, and you're going to you want to pull the hang on a second. Okay. Alright, so you want to take this guy, you want to pull that out, you're going to push that up in, it's going to pop, and you're just going to push the top in, and that will hold it in place. Yeah. Same thing up here. It's a little harder to do with one hand holding a camera, but you catch the drift. So, with that said, put this screw in here yet, and we can let the lights down, or the car down, excuse me, and the lights are done.